Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla, my channel about Tesla cars and about driving in Hong Kong. Today we are off to the cruise terminal, which is at the site of the old airport in Hong Kong. Surprisingly, this cruise terminal has been open since 2013, although hardly anyone in Hong Kong comes here. There's always been complaints about the lack of public transport and the lack of facilities such as shops, cafes and eateries, mainly because it really only gets busy here when cruise liners are in town. And with COVID, this place just hasn't been happening for the past year, so it's pretty much a ghost town here. Nevertheless, those who are able to drive here get to enjoy the beautiful views, as you will see later in this video. We were lucky enough to catch a beautiful sunset from the rooftop of the cruise terminal. This whole complex is called the Kai Tak development, after the name of the old airport here. Ever since the old airport was closed in 1998, this site has been waiting to be developed. Now, along with the cruise terminal, there will be a sports complex which will include a 50,000 capacity all-weather stadium, plus a hotel, residential estates, various gardens and parks, and a now defunct monorail. It was only recently revealed that the monorail will no longer be developed. It will likely be at least another 3 years before the whole Kai Tak development becomes fully operational. cruise terminal Superchargers. Yeah, just all full. They're all full. So here we are on the rooftop of the cruise terminal, looking over to the island of Hong Kong, and the sun is just setting behind the peak. I hope you enjoy this sunset video. As always, thanks for watching and safe driving.